How to fix YouTube comments not showing. So if you're facing a problem with YouTube comments, then first of all you need to make sure that your app is up to date. So if your app is not up to date, then you might find this kind of problem. So first you need to simply open up your Play Store, and after opening your Play Store, now here on the upper side you will have a search bar, right? Simply tap on that search bar and then search for YouTube. And after searching, here you will have an update option. But if you don't have an update option, then that means you have recently updated your application. But if you have an update, then simply tap on update and you have to update your YouTube application. And even after updating, if that still doesn't fix, then open up your YouTube, and then you can go to the bottom right, which is library, and now you can go to the upper right corner, which has that your profile icon, and then go for settings. And under settings, now you can go for general, which is on the first option, and then here you will have restricted mode. So if you have turned on your restricted mode, then that will potentially hide the comments. So if you want to see the comments of each and every video, then you have to turn off your restricted mode. So simply turn that off, which is here, and then after turning that off, you might find the comments on YouTube. But even after this, if that still doesn't fix, then you can simply open up your settings, and after opening your settings, now you can simply go for apps and notifications, and then go for YouTube under your settings, and go for storage and cache, and then tap on clear cache. And after clearing your cache, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix, then the last fix is to simply uninstall the application, and then you can again install it, or you can simply switch off your mobile, or you can restart your mobile. And that's it. These were the few fixes to your problem, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.